Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going old school American with a look at one of the most iconic trucks of the 1980s, the 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 pickup. This classic beast represents an era when trucks were built tough, simple, and ready to tackle anything from farm work to muddy off-road adventures. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap up with why this Silverado remains a legend among classic truck enthusiasts. Exterior. The 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 defines vintage American truck design, bold, boxy, and built like a tank. Up front, the square body styling gives it that instantly recognizable look, paired with the signature dual rectangular headlights and chrome grille. The massive chrome bumper adds both style and protection, while the body lines are straight, simple, and rugged, the hallmark of the Silverado's square body generation. This 4x4 sits high with a commanding stance, featuring large off-road tires and solid steel wheels that scream durability. You'll also find chrome-trimmed mirrors, side moldings, and the distinct Silverado badging along the fenders, all adding to its classic appeal. The truck bed is lined with heavy-duty steel and built to handle years of hard use, making it a perfect combination of utility and old-school cool. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends comfort with function. For 1986, the Silverado trim level was top of the line, offering more comfort and luxury than most trucks of its time. The bench seat came wrapped in either durable vinyl or plush cloth upholstery, depending on the configuration, and there's plenty of space for 3 passengers up front. The dash features simple analog gauges with large, easy-to-read dials, speedometer, fuel, oil pressure, and battery. You also get woodgrain trim accents across the dashboard and door panels, giving it that premium 80s vibe. Amenities like air conditioning, AM/FM radio, and even power windows and locks were available, quite advanced for a mid-80s pickup. The interior layout is straightforward, durable, and made to last. It's all about function with a touch of comfort. Performance. Under the hood, the 1986 Silverado 4x4 offered a range of engines, the most popular being the 5.0-liter V8 305 cu-in and the 5.7-liter V8 350 cu-in. These engines delivered around 160 to 210 horsepower and plenty of low-end torque, giving the truck enough muscle to tow, haul, and power through rough terrain. The 4x4 system used a solid front axle and a sturdy transfer case, controlled manually by a lever inside the cab. Combined with a heavy-duty suspension and strong leaf springs, the Silverado was a true workhorse both on and off the road. Transmission options included a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, both known for their reliability. Fuel economy wasn't great by today's standards, but when it comes to dependability and raw power, this Chevy didn't disappoint. Conclusion. The 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 is more than just a truck, it's a symbol of American toughness and craftsmanship. Its rugged design, reliable V8 power, and timeless square body styling make it one of the most sought-after classics among collectors and enthusiasts today. Whether you're cruising down the highway or hitting the backwoods trail, the Silverado 4x4 from 1986 delivers a driving experience that's all about strength, simplicity, and nostalgia. If you love classic trucks that define an era of raw performance and style, the 1986 Silverado is a true legend worth celebrating. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Chevy's classic powerhouse, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more legendary rides from automotive history. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.